Well, happening right now, a former Letcher County sheriff is appearing before a judge for an arraignment after last week's indictment for the alleged murder of a district judge. This is a live look inside the courtroom as Stines is prepared to be arraigned in Letcher County. And as we have reported, a grand jury indicated that former Sheriff Shawn Stines last Thursday was in for the murder of a public official. Stines was previously arraigned on the original murder charge back in September. Stines is accused of shooting and killing District Judge Kevin Mullins in Mullins' chamber on September 19th. The shooting allegedly caught on surveillance video. So coming up on Good Afternoon Kentucky, we're going to update you on today's court proceedings, but let's give a live listen right now in court.
Yes,
and counsel, that is Jeremy Bartley and Karen Bartley, is that correct?
yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor, and also the Honorable Jim Cox as well, Your Honor.
Cox, how are you?
All right, how are you?
Well,
Thank you.
now, the Commonwealth is represented this morning by Mr. Montgomery.
Jackie Steele, Your Honor.
Jackie Steele. And your co-counsel in this case
Is Ms. Ramsey
is
Dallin?
assigned to the Attorney General's office.
That is correct.
And that's Ramsey Dallin, and she is in trial elsewhere.
She is a Lindsay Green.
Correct.
Yes.
All right, we're here this morning for arraignment purposes. All right, counsel, have you had the opportunity to review the indictment with your client?
We have, Your Honor. We've taken a look at the indictment. We got an electronic copy of it on Friday.
Yes. Do you desire to waive any of the,
We'll waive a formal reading and enter a not guilty plea at this time, Judge.
and you're satisfied that Mr. Stines is aware of his rights?
Yes,
And
Your
the
Honor.
nature and substance of his murder charge?
Absolutely, Your Honor. Yes. Judge,
Your-
I'm sorry, I don't mean to interrupt the court. We filed a notice to preserve all evidence, and I have no doubt that Mr. Steele will do that. We filed that down in district court. I just want to renew that. I will file a written notice as well, Your Honor. And I would just ask the court to go ahead and enter a discovery order.
No objection to the preservation, Your Honor.
All right. And in terms of the discovery order, I understand that it is your intention to deliver discovery to defense counsel within 7-10 days.
That is correct, Your Honor. Ms. Dallin actually has that. We didn't know when the arraignment's going to be, and didn't have an opportunity for me to get it from her in time.
Fantastic. That works for us, Judge.
All right. No entry of a plea of not guilty. You will note, counsel, my original intention in this case was to review bond for purposes of issuing a warrant of arrest.
Yes, Your Honor.
And in this case, I went ahead and set a no bond.
Yes, Your Honor.
Consistent with the district court's findings. After significant consideration, given the implications of Marcy's law, community safety concerns, security concerns, the fact that the defendant is in fact charged with a capital offense, together with the provisions of Rule 402, paragraph 1, the defendant shall not be admitted to bond at this time.
Yes, Your Honor.
That will be a matter of trial. Anything
All right, we've been listening in live in Letcher County at the arraignment for former Sheriff Shawn Stines, who entered a not guilty plea. And again, Stines previously arraigned on the original murder charge back in September. Stines accused of shooting and killing District Judge Kevin Mullins in Mullins' chamber on September 19th. That shooting allegedly caught on surveillance video. So coming up today on Good Afternoon Kentucky, we're going to update you on today's court proceedings. But again, a not guilty plea entered for that arraignment.